What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today, this video is nothing but tips and tricks for JustPlay. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into this video today. So, as everybody may know already, I have already made a JustPlay tips and tricks video. But I got another comment from another viewer saying that they wanted another tips and tricks video. So this is the new and updated version of the JustPlay tips and tricks. As far as the video goes, most of the stuff is still the same. But the app is now the 3-hour version, and not the 24-hour version. So with that being said, this tips and tricks video is pretty much like the last video, except it's new, updated, and yeah. But the tips and tricks I'm about to show you and talk to you guys about today is they're similar to what I was talking about in the old video like months and months ago. However, if you didn't catch that video and you don't want to really search for it, this is the video for everybody for the tips and tricks. So basically what I'm going to show you today is basically what I do when I use JustPlay. And so what I do when I use JustPlay is I play Treasure Master, of course, but I also pick another game to play. Like, say if I'm taking a break from Treasure Master, I'll pick another game that I like to play, and then also I will watch the videos at the bottom of the app that pay out like 2,000 coins. When I first downloaded the new version, I believe that they were paying out 10,000 coins, and then today when I get on the app it says 2,000. So whatever that may be, that's what I do. I play Treasure Master, and I play another game, and then I watch the videos, and I do that off and on, and then this next part of the video, I'm going to show you just how fast and easy it is to rack up these points doing it the way that I do. I honestly only have to spend 5 to 10 minutes, and then boom, I'm done. Done for the 3 hours on the app, and then I can move on and then come back to the app and another 3 hours, and then yeah. So it's pretty quick, it's pretty fast, and the tips and tricks that I'm about to show you it's pretty simple and easy. Anybody can do it. And yeah, another thing before we get into the app video, there's a lot of people saying a lot of different things about JustPlay. So I've seen other people post JustPlay videos recently. There's a lot of people posting about JustPlay, and they're saying all of these things. A lot of those things might not even be true. Coming from me, who has used JustPlay like from the very start, there were a lot of things that I seen that I was like, this is not really true. And they're just out here pretty much posting videos just to get views and stuff like that. And as we know, I'm not really here for that. You know, I'm a YouTube partner, but I'm not really here for the views. I'm here for the creation of my videos and to upload my videos. And you all know that I love and enjoy filming, editing, and all that type of stuff. I enjoy filming videos and editing videos. So regardless if I was doing this for views or not, I would still be doing this regardless, even if I was getting 0 views on every single one of my videos, I would still be posting. And my content isn't pertained to what another YouTuber is posting on their channel. Pretty much my content consists of what I do and what I like to do, and so I show all of my viewers things that I like to do, and just, you know, I post videos and I just be myself, and that's really what it boils down to. I don't care about the views. I don't care about that stuff. I care about meeting new people, and so far that's what I have been doing, is meeting new people. I've started seeing new people in the comment sections of my videos, and I started getting new subscribers, and it's just really cool to be able to be on a platform where a bunch of different people are all in one place, and I'm able to meet some of these people and build relationships with these people, and it's just, so far on YouTube, it's been great. So with that being said, sorry for the little rant, but with that being said, let's jump into the app video that I recorded for everyone, and I'm gonna show you firsthand on how to earn fast on JustPlay. So let's jump into it. All right, so I'm starting off today with 0. I'm gonna show you guys how to quickly earn in this short little video. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go down to the Treasure Master right away, and you want to play Treasure Master. Whoops. All right. So once you're on Treasure Master, you just want to start playing. And as you can see already, when you are playing, it just keeps updating your balance, updating your balance. So as you guys seen, I started with 0. I started with 0, so you're gonna play for a few minutes here, and then we will go back and check the balance. So basically, this is the first step that I'm gonna tell everybody to do, because it's the quickest and fastest way. Even if you mess up, it's totally fine. We're gonna play for a couple more seconds here. Now let's go back. And as you can see, we already have 38,200 coins. And so you also want to get the most money, you also want to interact with every other game and watch videos. So I noticed I used to get 10,000 coins for these videos, but they're only paying out 2K coins now. So, and these ads are horrible, by the way. They've been horrible since the start, and they show games that may or may not be scams, so make sure you guys watch out for that. They ain't fully to be trusted, but it's worth watching the little video. We got 40,200. So over the last 2 minutes, I've been playing. Treasure Master while the ad timer is going down. So let's check here in a second. See what we're at. And if you remember, we were just at like 40,200. So let's check it right now. Reopen the app. And as you can see, I've already reached the goal for today. A lot of people say, do not go over the goal because you will get less and less coins. However, I don't believe that. It doesn't make any sense for someone to say if you reach over the goal and you keep earning and earning, you're going to get less. I don't believe that. I believe that if you keep earning and earning, the more coins that you have, the more that you will earn. I just don't see earning the goal and then not doing anything else. That doesn't make any sense to me. So my advice would be, in order to reach your goal and just earn fast every 3 hours, I suggest just playing Treasure Master and then finding one of these games that you really like to play. And the other game that I really like to play other than Treasure Master is this Mad Smash. And that one's pretty fun to play too. So if you can find another game plus Treasure Master to play, and then you watch the videos down here at the bottom, then you should be earning quite fast. And the more you interact with the app, the more that you're going to get paid out to. And that's really all the tips that I really have. I did do a tips and tricks video a while back. It's probably been like 6 or 8 months ago. So this is just the new updated version for the 3-hour cash out. And it's literally no different than the other video, except it's newly and updated. And just to show you Mad Smash, this is what Mad Smash is. Turn off that. So pretty much with Mad Smash, you want to smash all the way down with the most dominant color, I believe, like that. And so each level is going to be different. Could have went there. I could have went. So pretty much when the ball is on fire, you can just keep going down. But once you hit that other color, it stops you. My best is 489. Reload the app. See, with that one, it's kind of slow because you have to beat each level to get coins. So let's beat a level and see how much it actually gives. This game, you can't really just AFK tap. You kind of really got to pay attention with this one. However, if you're just using this game as another game to play, it should work really well. And as always with a bunch of new games and stuff, as you play, it'll get easier and easier. But you can see I got a balance update. and it earned what, probably 10k per level. So, and again, you can watch videos, and like I said, you're gonna find ads just like this one. It's gonna tell you it's legit and it pays out through Cash App, but as far as I know, the whole time that I've been reviewing apps, there is no app that pays out through Cash App. So just to let everyone know, I have not found an app that actually does that. So I highly doubt that this is actually legit. So be careful out there for what you download. And pretty much if I haven't reviewed it, then it's probably a scam. So that'll probably be it. And let's switch to the other camera angle. So as you guys can see, that is pretty much really how I earn, and I just wanted to show you guys in another new video. Also, a viewer suggested that I make another tips and tricks video. They wanted to see it, and so here it is. I do have some other videos that I'll be dropping that I've been working on as the video ideas come in. So say a viewer suggests a video for me to do, as they come in, I kind of have to schedule them a little bit, because say that request comes in for a viewer and I'm already working on a video, and then I already have another video lined up, so then that video is the third video, and so on and so forth. Like, it's gonna take me a minute, but I appreciate everybody for dropping advice and video ideas and things like that in the comment section. I strongly appreciate every single one of you. That is awesome. And if you suggest a video idea saying that you want to see this type of stuff, I will definitely do it without hesitation. So if you want to comment below what type of videos you may or may not want to see, I will take that into suggestion, and you may or may not see it on the channel. But I think that's all the time I have for everybody today. I appreciate all of you for tuning in today. Please drop a like on this video if you like this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next new video. Peace.